Okay, so now let's talk about connecting to a remote repository. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from scratch. I'm gonna make a new project and we're gonna put it in Git, and we're going to create a new repository. So here we go. Right here, we have a new project, app, and just to make sure, we're gonna call this remote example. Jesus Christ, I don't know why. Let's see out my way. Okay, and Swift, we're using storyboards, and we're going to put this in our let's see. Yeah, we should put this right here in GitHub. And you can sometimes you can go ahead and elect to do this. Create Git repository on my Mac so that you can operate your source control from here. In this case, we're not gonna do that, okay? We're gonna create it in the terminal, and I'm gonna show you. So create this. Okay, so this is our control, and we're going to say this is remote print, right? Remote example. Okay. And this should be 13 Pro Max. Okay. It's should be running in the simulator pretty soon. It's building right here. Okay. And of course, this is taking a long time to go ahead and, build up. Remote example. Sorry about that. So it's working. This is running. And this is located here, GitHub remote example. So now let us go into here. We're gonna say CD. And as you've probably seen before, we take this directory and we drag it right here to our terminal right behind CD. Our path is there. We do that. And test, yes, we're in remote example, ls-al. So we have all of this here, right? Now what we want to do is we want to go over to GitHub, right? And here it says, create a new repository name. I'm going to call this remote example. Okay. Just demonstration purposes. Demonstration. PURPOSES. Okay, I'm gonna make this private because that's just the way I feel. Okay, I'm not gonna add a git ignore or a readme right now. And no license either. Create the repository, and this is it. We want to push an existing repository from the command line, which we have, right? we have an existing repository. So we're going to do this right here. Copy it. Go here. We're going to paste. Oh, by the way, before we even do that, we skipped one thing. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm this negligent. Let's go back here. As you can see, there is no init. So in this directory, I need to say git init. This initializes your git file, right? And now let's see ls-al. It lists everything in this directory, and there's git right there. Now that we have this git file, let's go ahead and check the status. Git status. And of course, all of these things need to be added to staging and then committed. So let's see, git add. Okay, git commit -m. We're gonna say first commit. And after we do that, we should be able to say git status. Everything's up to speed. Now we're going to take this C and we're going to push what is in Git. This is remote repository. So we're going to do this. Oh, sorry. And then, yep, that works. Then we're going to do git branch -m main. Right, we're going to push to an existing repository from the command line. And then we're going to say git push _u origin main. Right? And this shows that it is successful and it has been pushed. Branch main set up to track original main. It's been done. You know how you tell? Go ahead and reload this. And there it is. You can tell us we go remote example, view controller, remote example, just like I have in our example right here. So now whenever I make a change, right, let me go back to here. You can always say print, right, another example, right, and that's saved. Let me go here. Okay, do this save. Go here, git status. Of course, that needs to be changed, right? Git add dot git commit -m added again. Okay. Okay. Git push. And so now, if I go here and another example, this is push remotely. So this is how you do it. And of course, if something has gone wrong and it's not working, you need to remove this repository, just go to settings right here. Go all the way to the bottom. Delete repository. You click delete and you must enter your username and it will show you your username. Take that, enter, you say, yes, I understand. Once I do this, I can't undo it. and it will delete this repository. And so, yep. And that's how you connect your local repository. You create your local repository and connect it to remote repository in GitHub. All right, on to the next.